Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Alright y'all, so today I have a pre-styled, pre-crimped wig from Yolissa Hair, and this is how it came. This is exactly how it looks. Can you have a look? I don't know, they getting real sturdy over there in them factories because these crimps look really good. And I know some people don't know how to use certain tools, like they don't know how to curl. Some people don't know how to crimp, which crimping is very easy. It's not, you know, something that has a science to it. You literally press it, hold, and then crimps, okay? If you don't got time for that, or you just want somebody to do the work and you just want to throw the wig on, then boom, you got this wig right here. So I already went in and plucked it off camera, which is why this looks matted, because I never even combed the plucking, the extra hair that came out with the plucking, because I wanted to show y'all the natural state of the hair as I got it. So I'm about to do that now. And you're just gonna do a simple center part crimped wig. So y'all know I don't like to keep y'all hair all day. We just gonna install this wig, make it look cute and keep it pushing. So let's get it started. Also, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, if y'all watch my vlog, I'm on the pediment right now. I'm very tired, so if I look a little bit drowsy, I'm not on drugs or nothing. I'm just a little tired, but y'all know I'm gonna get it up and get it together for y'all. So let's start this video. If y'all hear any noise in the background, that's Lilo. She's just doing the most. But I'm not gonna be doing a ball cap method, and I'm going to be using a new product that I heard about, and it's the Even spray. It's not sponsored or nothing, but I'm just letting y'all know I got a new product. This is what it looks like. And y'all know I'm all for the glueless installs, being that I install my wigs like all the time. So we're gonna be trying that, see what the hype is about. Being that I'm not gluing down my stocking cap, I'm just gonna take a bit of concealer and just like rub it all over the lace. And then I'm gonna go in and cut out all the excess combs that I do not want. Now, if you do want all the combs in your wig, you can keep them. This is just my personal preference. I don't like to keep the combs in. I just feel like it always makes your wig bulky. And thank God the hair has volume, so I don't really gotta worry about that right now. But I don't want no bulky wig, so I'm just so used to cutting it off. So I'm about to cut off all the combs that's inside, and then we're gonna start installing. Alright, so I'm gonna just let this sit for a little while, and then I'm gonna go in with the crimping and styling, because I feel like once I start cutting it, after I crimp it, I just feel like the crimps are gonna mess up. So I'm gonna let it sit for probably like 5 minutes. I really don't feel like it needs to dry that long, and then we're gonna go from there. Let me tell y'all something real quick. This spray feels way more secure secure than the olive oil. And I just feel like I don't know what's in the like ingredients or whatever you want to call it, but I already realized that it was a little bit thicker than your average spray. So I don't know, we might have something going on here. We might, you know, whatever. It just might be another good glueless holding spray that you can use if you don't want to use no type of adhesive. So we're gonna see at the end how this performs. It's time to finally cut this lace off. This wig feels like so secure. Like I'm definitely gonna have to spray this again. Like definitely gonna, I'm really gonna have to spray this again because you can tell how tight of a hold this has. Now you could also try cutting the lace before you spray it. I used to do that method too, but it's just like who are the kids now? Like whatever way works for you works for you. It's like Lilo just decides, okay, she's recording now, let me stop making all this noise. I just can't. Alright, so I'm not sure if y'all can tell from all the way back here, but it's definitely a white line going across my hairline. So what we're gonna do, usually I would take the olive oil spray and spray the hairline, but I did not bring that with me. It's in the room, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like I'm gonna get it. But I'm gonna take the Sebastian Shaper spray, I'm gonna go across the hairline. So I'm gonna just spray it. Then I'm gonna take this, whoo, that is strong, I be choking. I would just take this napkin and just clean it off my skin, because you do not want any type of lace spray on your skin. It will break you out, and nobody just wants sticky stuff on their skin in the first place. So just pat that down. It looks so much better. Oh my goodness. Then we're gonna take that magic band, the melt band, tie it down. Now when you're doing this on a client, make sure to not tie this too tight, because sometimes it can give them a headache. Sometimes it could just be very uncomfortable. So be sure to tie it down securely, like making sure it's very secure, but don't tie it too tight. Me, I don't care. But when you're working with somebody else, just be very careful that you're very careful. The heat is only turned up to 360 degrees because I don't want to burn the hair. And it seems like with 613 hair, if you use it on a really high temperature, sometimes it'll burn the lace a little bit and either turn it maybe green or reddish purple or something like that. And we want it to just stay blonde, so I'm gonna make sure I keep it on like a lower setting that still gives it the heat it needs. Like y'all can see that the crimps still are crimped and they're still holding, but they're not burnt. Like you never want to burn your hair. So when you're working with 613 hair, you don't have to put it all the way up to 450, 400. You can stay within like the 300s just to make sure you protect your hair, especially if you spray it with something, which when I work with 613 hair, I don't spray with anything besides the Sebastian Shaper and the wax stick, and that's only for the roots. On the actual hair, I never put product on 613 hair. It's never going to look good. It's probably gonna look all types of oily, and you don't want to do that. Never ever put product on your 613 hair. That's what I'm gonna say. So you gotta make sure your hair is good quality. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna do baby hairs, but do I really have to? Well, you don't never have to if the lace is good and the insole is good, but like, wow. First of all, I'm happy I did the south part. This is so cute. The only thing I wish was different was the color. I wish it would have been toned, or I would have toned it to like a whitish blonde, but the style and this lace, look, let's zoom into the lace. Let's hold on. Hold on. Let's hold on, holiday. Hold on. Stop playing. Like, what lace? Huh? Period. Yes. This is so wow. I think I found my new favorite. Oh my god. I think I found my new favorite spray. And as y'all can see, I bought the small bottle. This was $5. So, well, $4.59, but $5. And I just wanted to test it out. But this has the lace laying so good. Once again, I'm not sponsored by no other company besides the hair company. But I'm just letting y'all know when I like it. I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna rave about it. I'm gonna put y'all on, period. So, let me know what y'all think about this look. A part of me did want to do like a nice little I don't want to say like baby hair. It's not really technically a baby hair, but I just wanted to swoop this would have been very nice if I would have just did like, y'all know what I'm saying, like a nice little, you feel me? But I just feel like the hairline looks so good, especially with this little piece right here. It just brings everything together. It's really the little details that bring a look together. So let me know what y'all think about this look. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this look. Like if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.